Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to find Wi-Fi password on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my settings right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to network and internet. So click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on hotspot and touch sharing. Then it open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Wi-Fi hotspots. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on hotspot password. And with that, you have your password right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find your Wi-Fi password on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.